Want to give Claude real-time web scraping, automation, and data extraction powers? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to connect Apify to Claude AI using MCP, so Claude can access thousands of Apify actors and automate tasks like lead generation, market research, and data collection. No coding required. Let's jump in! Apify is a powerful platform for web scraping and automation, while Claude is one of the smartest AI assistants available today. By connecting them with MCP, or Model Context Protocol, Claude can run Apify tools directly inside your chat. First, create a free account on Apify and install Claude Desktop on your computer. Make sure you're signed into both platforms before moving to the next step. Open Claude Desktop, go to Settings, then find Connectors or Add Custom Connector. In the server URL field, paste https://mcp.apify.com. This is Apify's official hosted MCP server. It's the easiest setup because it supports automatic updates and secure OAuth login. Click Connect. A browser window will open automatically. Sign into your Apify account and authorize the connection. Once approved, restart Claude Desktop. Open a new chat and check the Tools section. If everything is connected correctly, you'll see Apify tools available inside Claude. Now test it with simple prompts like, find the best LinkedIn scraping actor on Apify. Scrape Google Maps results for coffee shops in Kolkata. Extract product data from an e-commerce website. Claude will automatically choose the right Apify actor, run it, and return structured results directly in the conversation. If you don't see any tools, restart Claude Desktop, reconnect your Apify account, check that tool permissions are set to allow, remove and re-add the connector if needed. And that's it. You've successfully connected Apify to Claude AI. Now you can turn Claude into a powerful research, scraping, and automation assistant. If this tutorial helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment below with the first workflow you want to automate using Apify and Claude.